Today we're going to learn what the difference is between equiangular and equilateral polygons. So let's start with equiangular. So this means equal angles. So if we have say a triangle like this, it's not a perfect triangle. Let me redraw that. So you would say that the angles would be the same. So the internal angles would be the same. So let's say this was 30 degrees. This would also be 30 degrees. This would also be 30 degrees. So that's what an equiangular polygon is. An equilateral polygon is equal sides. So using that same example, let's say this was 3 centimeters. This would also be 3 centimeters. And this would also be 3 centimeters. So that's a quick lesson on what the difference is between equiangular and equilateral polygon. I hope that was helpful. Please subscribe, like the video, and comment.